Here is Terry at D-Lab. I'm still working on this old crusty Fender Bassman. Got all the dead soldiers removed and I'm getting ready to test it. But then I look out in the winter and what comes through the door? What comes through the door?
Oh, I did.
Yeah. So Emmy's back again, another surprise visit. So why did you come to Michigan this time? Last time it was Thanksgiving.
Well, I had to drive 10 hours because I thought of something in the middle of the night.
Huh?
I had to drive 10 hours because I had to ask you these four important questions.
Hold. You can't have drove 10 hours.
Why not?
Because you don't have a license.
Okay, well, the person who
See, I
drove
caught
me
that.
10 hours, the person who drove me 10 hours didn't want to be in the video. So I get the
Ah, a little camera shy, eh?
Yeah.
All right, so you drove up here, and I understand you came up here possibly because we got 8 inches of snow. You wanted to play in.
Yeah.
Is that true?
It is very true.
It's not true.
It's not true.
not what she
It's
said.
really cold.
All right, so why are you here?
I had to ask you these 4 questions.
How many questions?
4.
4.
4.
Not 3 questions, but
No.
4.
4. Yeah, 4.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, so first question. What does bussin' mean?
Bussin'?
Yeah, bussin'.
If I need to go downtown, I would get on the city bus. I'd put some tokens in it, and I'd be bussing downtown. Sound good?
No.
Well, then you tell me. What is it? Or do I get another guess?
You get 3 guesses. You get 3 guesses.
4 questions, 3 guesses.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I would say the second one would be you left a hideous mess on the kitchen table, and I had to come up and bus after you because it's all about you.
It's the same thing.
Hopping on a city bus
Oh,
and cleaning the tables the same.
Never
All right, so that's not it either.
No.
All right, third choice. I'm an electrician and I've got high voltage bus wiring that I need to put through a building, so I'm bussing that wire. Is that good?
No.
Okay, so what is it?
It's like when something is really good.
Yeah.
It's bussin'.
When something's good, it's bussing.
But it has to be food. It can't just be like a random object. Like this notepad isn't bussin'. That's not a thing.
Right.
Yeah, that's not.
Excellent. Next question.
Next question. What does fire mean?
Fire?
Yeah, fire.
Well, that's pretty easy. It's what comes out of a house when you knock over a lamp.
No.
It's what burned down Chicago years ago.
No.
It's what comes out if you eat too much hot sauce on your meal.
No, that was 3 guesses. You get no more.
I know.
You get no more.
Okay, what is it?
Fire means something is also good, but it's not food. It's like this notepad. This could be fire.
How come it's always the notepad?
Okay, this pen is fire.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hope you guys are getting this because I'm not. All right, next question.
Okay, what does real mean?
Real?
Like if someone is saying something and you say real, what does it mean?
Oh, well that means that it must be like true and it's of the real world and I can really understand what you're trying to get across to me.
Yeah, that's actually right.
Did I get it?
You got it.
I got one. Okay.
Okay. Now we have an abbreviation. So it's BBC.
BBC?
No, BC. Just
BC.
Yeah, just BC.
Battle Creek.
No.
Broadcast.
No.
Before Christ.
I knew you were gonna say that. No, it's because. Like the conjunction.
Conjunction, junction.
You
What's
know
your
that thing?
function? Of course I do.
I was gonna sing that.
I'm old school.
Yeah, I'm pretty old school.
And the bill going up on Capitol Hill. You remember that one? I'm getting her on these. Okay, so let me see. Those are great questions. Oh, so now I've got 4 questions for you.
You just pulled out a hat, like you knew I was coming from.
No, as a matter of fact, I actually scripted this and I've been keeping it in the shop just in case you were to come visit.
Oh, so you didn't want to visit me? I had to come get you.
Right, that's why this is written in crayon.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm going to take you back to the 80s. So what is booking?
You're reading a book.
No.
You're going really fast.
Kind of.
What Oh wait, okay.
Can't have the stage silence.
Going really, like.
You can't go back to that one. Give me your third guess.
Okay, fine. When you're a librarian.
That's pretty good, but it's not.
Actually?
It's not.
Oh.
Okay, what it is back in the 80s, if the cops were chasing you, you'd be like, I'm booking.
What does that have to do with a librarian?
It has nothing to do with the librarian.
You
Okay,
said it was,
next
you said kind of.
question.
Thank you.
I hear you're illin.
She got my chapstick.
You're sick.
Yeah, that's why she got.
She got it.
Actually?
That is it. Yeah.
I thought I meant like sick, like.
Well, okay. Is that your guess? Is that the final answer?
No, the other one where I got it.
Okay. Next. Far out.
Far away. Like all the, like over there.
No. How many answers is that? Is that one or two?
One.
Okay.
You know, like far out, like over there, you know? Like
No, that's not it.
there.
Next.
Okay.
Like. She does these, everything starts with threes, I've noticed with her. Like. Okay.
Awesome.
Is that your second guess?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, well, like, okay, surfer. Like a surfer, you know? I feel like far out is something a surfer would say. So, like, no, that's.
It's kind of that era.
Okay.
Is that your third guess?
I guess.
Far out is like, man, that is a crazy idea. Like something that's really probably not achievable, but it's really cool sounding. Far out, man. You know how I use man a lot when I talk?
I do too.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's where it's from. Okay, next one.
Was
Bogue.
that fourth or?
I'm doing my fourth right now, if you will let me. Ready? Bogue.
What? Like boat.
Like
Bo-
B-O-A-G. Bogue. I think that's how you spell it.
Is it like a boat? Like you're riding on a boat?
No,
you
that's good though. Let's get in the bogue and go down the river. Maybe we can catch some carp.
What?
Nothing. Go ahead. Bogue. Hey, QRM. Interference in the background. Female voices propagate. Okay. She still has to answer 3 more guesses. Or 3.
Okay.
No, you already used one.
I did use
She
one.
tried to fool me. So second guess.
I mean, I don't know. I haven't used one. I don't know.
Second guess.
A bogue. Is it like bogus? Like fake? Did I get it?
Well, kind of. All right, so somebody would use it in this context. Dude, that's really bogue.
So it's an abbreviation for bogus.
Well, yeah, I guess it's actually bogue is actually kind of how you're acting. It's like, dude, you're really fake. You know.
So it's a verb?
Yes. Yeah. You're really acting bogue. That's really bogue of you to do that.
See,
The
oh, fake. So it means fake. Like you're calling someone fake.
Yeah.
Yeah, I say fake. I don't say bogue.
Well,
You say fake.
but fake is a real word. Man, they've got some like monkeys out there fighting in the other room.
I know.
All right. So the 4 questions have been answered. Who won? Who's actually the winner?
Me.
Of course it's you.
It's always me.
Yeah, it doesn't matter
I've never lost.
if I got all 4 right and she got 1 right.
If I got none right, I'd still win.
I know, because
Yeah.
it's always about Emmy.
It was always about me.
And you know, that's why people like to tune in, because it's about Emmy. And
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, why look at me when they have you?
Right.
My
I'm
analytics,
here.
right now, they're going to go
I
up.
shine. You're just like in my light. You
We've
know?
done this before.
We have?
I talked about the old crusty planet, and you were the sun.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
rejuvenate.
you orbit around me.
Right?
Right, yeah.
Yeah. Good times. Good to have you back.
Mm-hmm.
We'll do some more later. Right?
Yes.
Okay. You can say bye this time. Last time you did.
Bye.